Hello everyone. On February 20th, Claude launched a new product, Claude Code Security. And as usual, whenever Claude launches any new product, some or the other goes down. This time it was the turn of code security analysis tools. What is this tool all about? So it allows you to fix code vulnerabilities from scan to fix done seamlessly. That's what code claims. So what is a code vulnerability? So code vulnerabilities are mistakes in the code that hackers can exploit to get into the system or hack the system. So think of it as, in layman terms, imagine your house is locked, but there is a window open through that a thief can get in. So your software works fine, but there are some loopholes that hackers can explore. Okay, this is a big pain point for any team, and there are a lot of vulnerabilities reported in libraries and code that the engineering team to need to sit and fix, and a lot of time and effort is spent on this by most of the engineering teams to fix vulnerabilities. So this is where Claude is making a difference. So I'll show you an example of a uh, code vulnerability. As you can see on the screen, this is a password validation code, and as you can see in the third screenshot, someone can hack the system by injecting an SQL. If you set password as quotes or 1 equal to 1, it will always evaluate to true and anyone can get authentication successful. So there are many such kind of issues that exploiters make use of to get into the system. Okay, so there are tools that address this problem. If you are listed here like Sneak, check marks, etc. These tools are pattern matching tools that scans through your code and look for predefined patterns and identify the issues. This is where Claude Code Security is a game changer because unlike these tools, it's not just doing pattern matching. It understands your code, understands the context, and finds issues that none of these tools can probably identify. And also, on top of that, it can also automatically generate the fix because it has the Claude Code Generator agent. Using that, it can automatically generate the fix. So you can imagine the amount of time each engineering team can save by making use of this tool. Uh, at times, it's painful to see senior developers sitting and fixing code vulnerabilities instead of doing productive work. This is where this tool is going to add immense value for the SDLC cycle, especially in the coding and vulnerability fix area. As a result, when this tool was announced, many companies' stock went down because these companies are all working in code security or application security domain. You can see a list of companies whose stocks got impacted last day. So let's do a strength and weakness analysis of this tool. The strengths are obvious. It is context aware and it can uh, identify issues that other pattern matching tools cannot identify. And on as you know, like the code generator can automatically generate a pull request for you. That's again making it life easy for developers. And as you know, if some team is already using the cloud ecosystem, then it's seamless integration for them. Just enable another tool. No need to purchase license, etc., or you need to integrate with another tool. Just built in for in the cloud environment. This is just built in for you in the cloud environment. Now coming to the weakness, okay, this is relatively a new tool. We doesn't know yet how it's going to perform. So we'll have to see while the tool gets mature. And another challenge is like many enterprise may be a bit hesitant to let AI scan and find the vulnerabilities. We never know how enterprises are going to adopt it. Third issue is like it is not something very difficult to do. Any other player like ChatGPT or anyone can build a similar tool very easily. And even you can see other players, the tools that I listed initially, those tools also will definitely introduce such capabilities in future. So it's not going to be a unique feature over a period of time, but definitely Cloud got the first mover advantage here. And let's see how this tool evolves and make a difference to the software development lifecycle. Thank you for listening. See you again.